Decoding the phrase, shark net. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the English language to understand the meaning of the phrase, shark net. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in a sentence. First, let's look at the individual words. Shark, a large fish that has sharp teeth and a streamlined shape. Sharks are known for being predators in the ocean. Net, a piece of open meshed material made of twine, cord, or something similar, used typically for catching fish or other animals. When we put these words together, shark net refers to a netting barrier used in the ocean to protect swimming areas from sharks. These nets are installed to reduce the likelihood of shark attacks, ensuring that beachgoers can swim safely. To help you understand better, here are some examples. 1. The local council installed a shark net at the beach to keep swimmers safe. 2. Many popular beaches around the world use shark nets to deter shark encounters. 3. While shark nets provide a sense of safety, there's ongoing debate about their environmental impact on marine life. It's important to note that while shark nets do offer a measure of protection, they are not foolproof. Additionally, there is concern about the bycatch of other marine animals in these nets. The topic is thus not only linguistic but also environmental. We hope you found this explanation of the phrase, shark net, insightful. English is filled with fascinating phrases, and understanding them can enhance both your language skills and general knowledge. Until next time, happy learning!